Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing great. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you how to replace an image. To replace an image, first we need to use this tool to place the image. Click here and select your image and click on open. Now I'm going to place this image right here. And if I want to replace this image, up here in this toolbar you can see replace image. Click at that, select your image and click on open. Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you something simple and useful with Affinity, which is replacing an image. First we need to place an image in our artboard, so we need to click here to place image. Now if I want to replace this image, up here in this toolbar you need to click on replace image and select your image and click on open. So this is how we can click on replace image to replace the image with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads in our channel. Take care and goodbye.